back at the bench testing out an old radio from one of Clive Sinclair's radio books. So this is a dual NPN germanium transistor radio, just built up on a little chassis I was playing around with. Diode detector down here, and then 2 stages of audio amplification. It's not actually very good. It's quite a poor radio. The only way I can get any audio out of it at a level reasonable for listening to is to capacitively couple it via just a large electrolytic into a little high gain audio amp. But if I turn the volume up on that, you can hear it works. As we change the tuning. 5 live on medium wave comes through. With a bit more adjustment tuning. I think we've got another station, it might be back to 5 live. Sensitivity is pretty good. With the antenna disconnected, it actually receives a French and a Spanish station. But selectivity is awful, so all the stations are pretty much on top of each other. So just something to play around with. And an excuse to use a couple of old, not very good transistors.